Are you losing out on work because you haven't got a wire EDM? Well, I'm here at the Toolroom to find out why buying used has really put them on the map. So why did you take the decision to buy a wire EDM in the first place?
So when we first set up, we initially decided not to buy a wire, and we'll go down the machining route, the milling route, and the EDM sparker. But what we found two to 3 months in, we were losing out on quite a lot of work due to us not having a wire. A lot of our work involves repairing tools, wiring inserts, if you like, or apertures, and adding new steel to damaged areas.
So why did you go for a second-hand wire EDM?
With every other machine that we've bought, we've went new, but in this case, we did price up a new machine. It's too expensive. This machine doesn't run 12 hours a day. It might run 2 to 3 hours, and it creates work for other machines. So we spoke to Ryan at Eurospark, and he had this second-hand machine available, so we thought we'd give that a shot, and it's been fantastic.
Talking of Eurospark, what was it like when you visited to see Ryan and Andrew about buying a wire EDM?
Yeah, it was fantastic. He's very welcoming. He knows the machines inside out, and like I said, since buying it, we've never looked back. We've had no issues with it. It's been really good. Did
Eurospark give you the training and the confidence that after you could run this absolutely spot on?
Probably had a day's training on this machine, and away we go. Very easy to use. Yeah, they're a great little machine.
What sort of work are you doing on this machine?
So we're wiring inserts for press tools, inserts for injection molding tools, all sorts. Even wiring diameters in half for customers. It varies.
So there's definitely a market for used machines?
Oh, absolutely, yes. And in regards to this machine, the accuracy is fantastic still. We can wire an insert and an aperture and they'll fit fine, no problems at all.
And even though it's not brand new, it's still holding all the tolerances you need, and it still does everything you'd expect from a wire EDM?
Absolutely, yes. Yeah, absolutely no problem at all with this one, yeah. Great little wire.